GamaTeks textile was built in 1984 in Denizli, which is one of the most important industrial cities of Aegean region and Turkey. This firm, which is a production of a mentality, internalizing and adapting completely the tradition of textile, which has come all through the history, has continued working by getting the mission, focusing on customers since the first days. Having never lost anything from its high-quality mentality since its inception, GamaTeks has put an approach, lasting and permanent, on the focus of its commercial view. When founded first, being a confection firm, today this firm serves to the most famous trademarks of the world with its quarter-century experience of household textile and ready-made clothing. In Aegean region, in a covered area of totally 56,000 square meters, with its 1,500 employees, this company has a fabric producing facility which contains departments of size, weaving, warp and annular knitting, dye, press and finishing, and 3 confection business enterprises. GamaTeks produces monthly more than 700,000 pieces of ready-wear products, about 1 million towels and 1,000 tons fabric for the bazaars of Europe, England, North America and Russia, and it is one of the main providers for worldwide famous brands. This achievement is realized with elasticity, fast service, high quality, ever-changing technology, permanent evolution in development of fabric and production, and the innovative mentality. In 2000, GamaTeks realized investments of machines which are intended for finishing of knitting and fabric, and with the investments of permanent amendment and renewal of technology in the finishing and press departments, the firm has accomplished to be the best product fabric firm in the Aegean region until 2008. GamaTeks attained a deep knowledge and experience in the domain of fabric and product development thanks to its works, which are continued since 1984, and technical support of the worldwide famous brands to which it served. With its experienced technical equipment and marketing team, GamaTeks is going forward to future by strong steps by increasing the quality of products more and more every day. The firm shows an excellent graphic in the point of production design by realizing serious investments to work of R&D. GamaTeks, which had showed activity in the domain of household textile until 2000, started its production activities in the point of ready-wear with the demand of the customers after that date. Another ready-wear business enterprise was set up in Izmir in 2004 with the aim of supporting to the increasing production of GamaTeks and utilizing the expertise of this area in producing ready-wear. After GamaTeks in Izmir, the third confection business enterprise was set up in Daskari town of Afyon with the aim of meeting the permanently increasing requirements of towels, bathrobes, duvet covers and other household textiles. Today, GamaTeks in Daskari produces in the domain of both household textile and ready-wear. GamaTeks shows its confection production activities in the light of the last technologies, most of all in the factory, which was built in Karakurt, and also in Izmir and Daskari institutions, in a closed area which is totally 40,000 square meters. In all these institutions, more than 700,000 pieces of ready-wear products and nearly 1 million towels are produced monthly. GamaTeks textile facility for towel, curl and velvet fabric, which was founded in 1986, is realizing qualified productions with its size and warp departments. While the sizing, sectional warping and serial warping machines of the business enterprise have a 3 million meter production monthly, 60 stands in the textile department have a capacity of 300 ton monthly. In the process, the firm turned towards 2 different activity subjects according as the increasing necessity of warp and annular knitted fabric in the market. In accordance with this, knitting units producing well soft, elastaned and elastinless jersey, interlock and rib were set up. Today, the warp knitting department can have a production capacity of 90 tons monthly, and the annular knitting department is 450 tons monthly. In the dyeing department, which has a capacity of 35 tons dyeing daily and is provided last technological machines, automation system is used for workings and this unit is watched online. In this department, where being able to repeat is provided by the advanced systems, it has increased the percentage of dyeing true at first time. In the dyeing department, where dyeing can be provided at various capacities, from 25 kilograms to 1,200 kilograms, the process from sample to production improves in a big elasticity. In the open width line, where there are width dyeing, washing, mercerizing and bleaching machines, 30,000 meters fabric can be produced every day. In the firm, with 2 rotation press machines, using all kinds of press techniques, very kinds fabrics can be pressed. The press unit, which has a capacity of 40,000 meters, press daily provides the trends of the time to be followed closely with the design department where talented people work. The stencil department, which was founded in the constitution of the firm to put the figures, each of which is available as an artwork, to the stencil as soon as possible serves with the last technological devices. Working of patterns are realized with the digital press technology in accordance with production. In the direction of customers' demands, the Department of Piece Press making production by using all manner of pressing techniques being suitable for a GamaTeks standards is demonstrated among well-known units in the Aegean region. In the firm, in which monthly average 300,000 numbers of products are produced, licensed products are successfully produced for various marks with a capacity of 16 colors depending on figure shape. Trained drying, multi-tier, tanter and shrink-proof operation for especially knitted fabric in constitution of the firm are made in the most developed machines. The part of finish daily 100,000 meters working capacity performs all of the mechanic and chemical ending operations used for meeting customers' expectations as napper, carbon, cutting, crease resistance, smelly appreed practices, imperviousness thanks to wide machine fields. Laboratory, in which dyeing and quality control tests are made, is in a situation accredited by international foundations instead of several marks. Several tests, from fastness to washing to press resistance, and from dimensional stability to peeling, can be made in accordance with independent laboratories. Daily, about 300 color workings are realized in dyeing machines of modern laboratory, and it is sent to customers for approval, and it can be given spectrophotometer and set approval for several customers, and so that it can be quickly passed to production stage. Product fabrics which were completed are packed, labeled and sent after being examined in a detailed way in quality control department. Today, GamaTeks produces several cotton, synthetic, cellulosic and mixture weaving and knitting fabric as to customers' demands. Every kind of physical and chemical ending operations and figure design, pressing and dyeing operations are carefully made in the light of final technologic methods in exactly self-constitution of business enterprise. GamaTeks attaching so much importance to nature maintain its exported firm position which can make process in the way of ecologic products being amended with Otto Group, Germany and Control Union, Skull Goats. With its departments of modeling, cutting, sewing, embroidery, iron, quality and control and packing, GamaTeks which makes production for well-known marks of the world such as Marks & Spencer, Next, Tesco, Debenhams, Mothercare, Nike, Zara, Bershka, Gap, Otto, Chibo, Polo Ralph Lauren, Hunkemöller, Petit Bateau is in an organized position to be able to meet all such like demands with its versatile production structure. The Department of Modeling Room Sample makes sample workings in direction of customers' demands with its talented mechanics, professional team and the last technology products machines, and it prepares self-collection and seller sample for every customers in certain times of year. Sample department can always present alternative models and fabric options to its customers, with its wide archive and talented designing team. The high-tech product spreaders and cutters taking place in the cutting department perform in using fabric with the goal of reaching to the maximum point. Fabrics cut in the cutting room, having 2000 square meter zone, are controlled and they are sent to be classified to the classification department after being matched as first quality product. Embroidery and piece press of cut sizes are made in the classification department, which is one of the important parts of the process. Products are prepared to sewing in direction of production program after they are matched in bales and tied in bunds with all accessories. With prepared cassettes being sent to sewing bands, the adventure of the product maintains in a different platform. Sewing machine park of business enterprise has totally 500 sewing machines developed for ready-wear and home textile factories. These machines, all of which are airy and clean strings, provide the quality of products to reach top. Quality control, iron, packed, parcel. The products knitted in accordance with the confirmed production sample in sewing department are controlled as to 100% basic of sensitivity by adopted workers of GamaTeks quality standards in quality control department on the control of experienced and educated experts. After productions are passed through metal detector of especially children production, these are embarked as parcels and suspended. As an important ready-wear producer, GamaTeks has a place which it deserves in domestic and abroad. GamaTeks today maintains its specialty to be a firm working on 100% center of import and on the focus of customers' order. Achieving to take place in the 33rd line within the biggest secondary 500 firms of Turkey in 2006, GamaTeks reached $55 million import volume with advantage of being an integrated facility in 2007. Always holding its goals on the top and raising its success graphic, GamaTeks is proud of its international fame of its ready-wear products and high-quality fabrics and goes on its way self-confidently.